The San Diego attorney who once helped suspected killer Casey Anthony go free has been ordered by a judge to do prison time. Today, Todd Macaluso was given 5 months in jail and ordered to pay a fine of $100,000 for defrauding clients and investigators. Team 10 investigator Allison Ash is live with why some who claim to be his victims say this sentence is a joke. Allison.
Yeah, and they're not the only ones who are upset about it. You could actually hear sobs coming from Macaluso's wife in the front row of the courtroom. She wasn't the only one upset. About a dozen investors from another case of his were actually there, and they were angry about it because they say the prominent attorney took them for lots of money. We're not talking 20s here. We're talking millions.
He arrived in a private jet last night, swept away in a much nicer car than I have. And in the meantime, you have people here that are owed over $6 million.
Several of those investors were in federal court, even though Todd Macaluso's sentencing had nothing to do with their case. They were hoping to pressure the judge into a hefty sentence after Macaluso, seen outside court with his wife Tanya, pleaded guilty to forging investors' signatures and a notary stamp.
This was part of a past pattern of continued conduct.
Every client that I have has stood behind me 100%. And I have skills that achieve results for clients.
Macaluso claims he paid back the money involved in the case and isn't lying about how much money he has. Did you lie?
No, Allison, my accountant, my certified public accountant was sitting in the courtroom and was involved in preparing those documents. Everything's been fully disclosed.
Before sentencing Macaluso to 5 months in prison and a $100,000 fine, the judge warned the now disbarred lawyer that if he's playing games with his money, he'll spend more time behind bars. Macaluso is famous for helping keep people out of jail, like Casey Anthony, who he was seen flying out of Florida after her acquittal in his private jet, and who some said he hid in his sprawling Rancho Santa Fe estate. Now it's Macaluso himself who would like to dodge attention. His attorney says the federal government spent more than $1 million on this case.
And what they come up with is a sentence of 5 months and a $100,000 fine. I think it wasn't money well spent.
And Macaluso's attorney sent me these letters from investors involved in the case for which he was sentenced. They say, some of them at least, that they have been repaid. But attorneys for another set of investors say he owes them lots and lots of money still, and they're taking him to civil court to get those millions of dollars back. So this is not over yet. Macaluso goes to federal prison on the 8th of January. We're live downtown. Allison Ash, Team 10.